How to fix slow internet speed on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to change your DNS settings and flush the DNS cache to improve your connection. First, click on the search bar and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator, then click Yes. Once the window opens, type ping 8.8.8.8 and press Enter, then type ping 1.1.1.1 and press Enter. After that, note the average millisecond value for each. The lower the number, the faster that DNS server is for you. Keep CMD open and minimize it for now. From there, search for Control Panel and open it. Make sure the view is set to Category, then go to Network and Internet. Following this, click on Network and Sharing Center, then select Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on your active connection, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and tap Properties. At this point, select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click Properties. Now check your CMD results. If 8.8.8.8 had the lower ping, enter 8.8.8.8 as the preferred DNS and 8.8.4.4 as the alternate. If 1.1.1.1 was faster, enter 1.1.1.1 as preferred and 1.0.0.1 as alternate. Once done, click OK and close out of the network settings. After this, go back to the search bar, open CMD as administrator again, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Finally, once the flush is complete, restart your PC and check if your internet speed has improved. And that's it. If this helped you fix slow internet on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.